Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic West Tarot, and this is your February love and work forecast for Virgos. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Virgo, this reading is for you. If you know a Virgo, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe Magic West Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram, friends. And if you subscribe, you so let's see, Virgos, what is the theme of the month for you for February? Wow, Page of Swords. You are focused on, communications, informations, and learning, technology, learning. You are focused on a lot of your communications, career, all these things. You are focused. There is a lot of focus in you. You are very strong will to make a change. And Virgos, you could be dealing with an air sign. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is important for you in February. What else? Let's see. Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, I told you, you are busy, busy, busy. You're making money, 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 Virgos. So get ready. This is a very busy month for you. You will be working and perfecting your career, your skills, your talent, and also you might be working online or learning online and working also. So I see you very busy day and night. You are working. Some of you might be starting a new study or a new course or a project this month. Virgos, what is the theme of the month of February? Wow, Two of Wands clarified by the Tower. Yeah, friends, this month you have to stay very balanced because this is a very important month for you, Virgos. If you are not balanced between your head and mind, head and heart, you might face some Tower issues. Sorry to start this reading on this note, but Magic Wends Tarot has to be honest. I can't lie. I work with angels, divine spirit. You can't. It doesn't work that way, friends, and it will help you if I tell you the honest and the things that will happen. So, Virgos, some things will happen which will bring balance back into your life. These things may seem like they are not what you want, or these things are like sudden things which happen, like sudden change of plans, sudden money coming your way, but they are going to actually bring balance into your life. So there is a lot of balance returning back into your life, a recovery happening for you from a Tower movement, or there may be some Tower movements happening this month, but you can recover from them because you are so hardworking. You see, the Queen of Wands, you could be dealing with a very powerful person this month. And also, Virgos, you are going to connect with your power. You are going to connect with your power. Get ready. Any changes that happen or delays that happen this month, Virgos, they are happening to make you or connect you with your power, with your passion, with your emotions. So get ready. Also, you are very focused on your work, career, and money. So you may forget your health, Virgo. So take care of your health. You are so focused on passions, on work, on money, that working all the time, you may forget to take care of yourself. So learn to take care of yourself in February. Love yourself a little bit, Virgos. Let's see your love life. Already I see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person for you. Love life. What happened in the past for Virgos? Oh my god. Let's that's a too many cards. Can you give me one or two cards, please? Okay, Hanged Man, you are stuck in the past. You are stuck with this situation. You love somebody, but that situation is bothersome. It's stuck. It's not moving. There is a Cancer, Scorpio, a loving person, someone who is loving, someone who is kind. But this person feels like at a distance from you. The situation feels stuck. It is not moving. You both are, maybe stuck different in cities, stuck in different cities because of the world situation, or because they are not ready to listen or to you or talk to you, Virgos. Sun, yeah, this was the one of the most beautiful connections of your life. This could be a twin flame we are talking here in the past, but things are stuck. It is not moving now. I don't know what happened. Whew. So that was the past. You had a lot of hopes from this connection, but then it just got, you reached a dead end, Virgos. But let's see what will happen, what's currently happening in your present, Virgos. Eight of Cups, yeah, you might be thinking of moving out of this connection, or your person has moved on. So there is this energy that, yeah, you are thinking like, yeah, I want to move on because this is stuck, this is not going to change. You have given up on this connection in some way, but you are also focusing on your happiness now. You are giving importance to your peace, your happiness, friendships. I see, if you are single, Virgos, you are ready. You are now getting ready to start to date again or meet new people again, because earlier you were stuck in this relationship, a twin flame connection, a very attractive, a very solid connection, but it was stuck, it was not going anywhere. So you might be moving out, or they might be moving out. Virgos, what's happening currently? Hermit. I think you are keeping your love life very quiet. You might be dating other people, Virgos. If not, you are ready to do something. You are planning something, Virgos, but you don't want to tell this person. You are like, yeah, I'm doing my way. I'm happy, you know. You are making this person like wonder what's happening with your life, because on social media you post nothing, but I feel like you are getting ready to move on and spend some time with your friends, close buddies. I also feel like you are waiting, secretly waiting and hoping that this connection would get better. You are praying for that. They are also praying for it. But none of you is taking action currently in this situation. What will happen in February in their love life for Virgos? Seven of Wands, defensiveness. Okay, what else? Six of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. You are going to come back to them. Virgos, your person is your soulmate. You can't live without them. They can't live without you. And yes, this karma is, something will balance, something which is stuck, which is not moving right now. The blocks will be lifted off in this connection, and there will be a mutual sharing of love and friendship in this connection for you, Virgos, in February. I do see that your person doesn't want to give up on you, because you are the prize, Virgo. Look at that. You are this beautiful sage, you are spiritual, you are kind, and your person is looking at you like this. So they want you. You're the prize. They want to fight for you, Virgos. And this connection is going to come into balance. I also feel if you are really single and not wanting this past person, someone new is coming. There is both energy, but for mostly it is the past person coming back, trying to fight for you, and talks resuming. But for others who are really single, this is a new person. Let's see who is coming towards Virgos. Okay, someone. Okay, I see. Yeah, for most of you, this is. So, someone, there is a person from your past on your mind in February, but I also see a new person, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person coming towards you in February. So, both energies are there, because you are the catch, Virgo. Everybody wants you now. So, there is a new person, Aries, Leo, Sag, and there is a past person, someone you had an ending, or someone you are stuck with. Ace of Swords, yeah, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is coming towards you in February. Both of them are important. A breakthrough is coming. You might meet or contact them through social media, or some messages will come, or some divine messages will come. So, what are the blocks for your love life, Virgo? Oh my God, Justice. Some timing is off in this connection. Something is happening which is blocking this connection at the moment. It is like, I don't know, your person is very strong, Virgos, firstly and foremostly, and that's acting as their walls are high and your walls are also high, Virgo. So that is acting as a block in this connection. Also, there is some, there is some sort of a karma. Maybe you have a soul contract with someone else at this moment or in February, so that is acting as a block. This seems like a divine intervention. Divine is stopping this connection at the moment because something else needs to happen or align before this connection can get moving. So that is happening. And look at that, the Empress. Yeah, this could be your twin flame. Definitely talking about twin flame, a marriage, a commitment. Yeah, this person, you have to love yourself, Virgos, to get this connection moving. And your person also has to love themselves. You both have to love yourself and treat your each other with respect. That's when this connection is going to move. Also, some fertility, like, you want your person wants marriage, commitment, baby, if you are married with them. So those things are also blocking. Like someone wants marriage, you don't want it, or you want to be like in the same cities. That's blocking this connection. Choices, lots of choices, lots of decisions. There are some confusions regarding what's the future of this connection. It's blocking you and this connection at the moment. So what blessings will come for you in February? Virgos, Ace of Pentacles, money is coming your way, friends. A lot of money is coming your way. A strong, stable financial income is coming for you. If you're not working, relax. It's on its way. And Ace of Wands, excitement is coming. Lots of passion is coming. Ooh. So you have two new stars. Look at that. Aren't you lucky, my babies, Virgos? Yes, you are lucky. So a stable connection, a passionate, steaming, romantic connection. Also, love and work both getting better in February for you. Woohoo, Virgos. So those tower moments are actually lucky. Let's see some advice for Virgos, then we're gonna see your work and career. Who feeling alone? Yeah, you feeling alone. You feeling like you are just working. Where is my lover? Where is my, what is this person doing? You are missing them, Virgos. Ace of Wands. There's a lot of passion. A new start is coming or a new relationship is coming. So don't lose hope, friends. If you feel you are alone, so some relationship, a reunion, or a start is coming. Opportunity beckons. Four of Cups. Yeah, new solutions, new people are coming for you. Say yes, Virgo. Say yes. Don't turn your back to love. Say yes to love. What else? Challenging times. Oh my god, I do feel, friends, you are a little scared of love, Virgos, because you had been through a lot in the past. But if you you are very protected, you have nothing to worry about. You are attracting good people in your life, and you are washed over, so don't worry. Let's see your work and career now. Virgos, what's happening in their work and career in February? Wow, Six of Cups. You are falling in love with your work. I think some of you are going to marry your work in February, or your Valentine is your work. You're gonna fall in love. Maybe you're gonna meet someone you like through your work. So get ready. Love is coming through work. I feel this is a very wonderful month for you, especially regarding work. You feel very happy, you feel very connected, and yeah, you are, busy at your work. You are seeing things in a new way about your work, your career. Even if you are a student, you will find new solutions. You will also find new ideas to work with. Your creativity will be high, your passions will be high. You're very ambitious this month, Virgos. Great going. And look at that. Yeah, dedicated. You are very, very dedicated. I see you working day and night in February. Even if you are a student, you are very committed. You are very happy and enjoying your studies. But don't try to overwork. Take care of your health also. Look at that. Solar plexus. Yeah. Some positive boost is coming. I think if you doubt yourself, don't do it, friends. Believe in your gifts, your talents, your skills in February, Virgos, because you are very talented and you have the all the things you need for success, and your future is great in your work and career. So believe in yourself and go for it. Go for it. You will be successful. Money is coming too. So don't worry. Believe in yourself. Push yourself. Virgos, don't settle in comfort. Push yourself. What else will happen? See, success is coming. Let's see for Virgos. Okay. Tower. Oh my god, you have a tower here and here. Look at that. Solid foundation, success with effort. So your efforts will be rewarded. Don't worry. Teapot, deep friendships with someone of the same sex. Yeah, you may be attracting a same sex relationship or a friendship which will change your life. So get ready for that. You may be in a same sex relationship also, so don't worry. You will have, I think, some choices also. December is important. Maybe something happened in the last December, or the coming December is important. Someone born in December. Wheel, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. Yeah, don't be in your comfort zone. Just move, move from your comfort zone. Lily, spiritual love. You have a very spiritual connection with someone. Slowly and surely you are getting ahead, tortoise. Key, successful outcomes to your problem. You will find your solutions. Family sorrow, weeping willow. Yeah, you're sad about something, friends. There is some tears, but you will recover. Success is coming. You are destined for success in February. Someone is behaving stupidly. Yeah, you feel like your person is a little egoistic. They are a little too rigid. You don't want them to be like this. But look at that, climbing towards success. So many success cards are here. So excellent February for you, Virgos. Subscribe, like, and share. Magic Wednesday Tarot Mystic C saying bye.